Alright guys, greetings, I'm CryptoRaz here. Today I'm going to take you through how to create your first blockchain wallet if you are looking to get yourself some bitcoins, if you want to buy bitcoins. This is the first step, like getting a wallet. A wallet is like the crypto bank account where you have to store your cryptocurrencies in it. And then we are signing up, so you click on sign up, and you are going to have the next page load for you to choose. So almost 5 cryptocurrencies. We choose Bitcoin wallet, where you have to put in your blockchain, your email address. So I will quickly put in my email address here, as you can see. Okay, and that is my Gmail info. Now they are asking you to provide a password. Now let me advise you on the character to my wallet. So I put in my password. I have a medium password strength actually, but it's okay so far as it contains what is required, at least 8 characters, mixed up letters, numbers, and symbols. So I'll put in my mail, I'll put in my password. Now I'm proceeding to create wallet. Okay, so it finally loaded and it took me straight to my wallet. So it says the first thing after you create the wallet, what you have to do is confirm your mail. So you go through the mail you use to register, and as you can see, thank you for creating blockchain wallet. Verify your mail below. I think that is the first thing you have to do after creating the Bitcoin wallet, by verifying. Okay, so finally my email is verified, and it is part of the process you have to go through to make sure your wallet is really secure, so that you can use your mail all the time to log in. Now when you come inside your wallet, you will see your total balance here. You see the cryptocurrency that it supports. You realize you have Bitcoin, Ether, that is Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, Algorand, USD, Digital, Tether, and sometimes they do airdrop. And now this is going to get on with the security, where you can actually make sure that your Bitcoin wallet is secure. And now you have your mail, which is the first thing you have to make sure it is secure. Now the two-step verification. The two-step verification, you realize that you can use an authenticator app like YubiKey, SMS code. Two-step verification helps to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet by requiring a one-time password for every login attempt. But YubiKey is one of the best, and then the SMS is also. So I use authy, authy, AUTHY. I use authy, and that is what I use to secure most of my wallet, and I'm going to enable it for you to see. So I click on enable, and I'm choosing authenticator app. So authenticator app, you can download any of them. So I click on authenticator app. Now when you have this on, when you scan it, the name will come, then you have to add it. When you add it, the random number will come. I've added mine here. Yes, so I'm putting in my code, so I'm verifying the code here. Boom, and my two-step verification is on. Now this is the most important of all, your backup phrase. This is the key to your wallet. So like when you have your house, the keys to your house. So whenever someone have access to your keys, it means that the person have access to your house. And so just like when someone have access to your mobile money PIN, the person have access to your fund. So your backup phrase contains all the private keys within your wallet. Please write these 12 words down in order and keep them somewhere safe offline. They are saying offline because maybe a hacker can have access to your wallet and have the private keys. And once they have the private keys, what we call the backup phrase, they can have access to your wallet regardless of your two-step verification, your email, your password, or any other authentication. So it is very, very important that you keep your backup phrase, the private key, is very safe, possibly offline, and you make sure that you do not lose it, because right now they used to allow you to reset your password on the blockchain.com, but I do not see that feature again. So when you forget your password, the only way to get back into your account, to log into your account, is your backup phrase. So it is very important that you keep the backup phrase. Like, continue to read. It says that this phrase gives you, or anyone who has it, a way to restore your wallet and access your funds. In the event that you lose your password or our service is unavailable, this will be your safety net. So when you have these 12 backup phrases, secure our wallet with our backup phrase. Yeah. So you go to backup now. Now these are the words they have given me, and it's very important that you keep the words in order so that you put in the words as it is given to you. So now I have my 1 up to 12. So when I click on next, I'll see that. Alright, so after I put down my 12 phrase consistently, blockchain.com will ask you to confirm whether you have it right. So they'll be asking you to put in the words based on the orders they give you. So you make sure you put in that, and then there you go. Yes, so after I put in my phrase, you realize that it says successful, your wallet is now backed up. So it tells you that I have secured my wallet and I have my backup phrase. And so whenever I forget my password, this is the only way I can get back to my wallet. So now you have secured your wallet. So I close it, and so that is the most important security that you need. And the next thing that I'm going to teach you is how to receive your first Bitcoin. So this is actually a basic. If you really want to receive your first Bitcoin, this is what you have to do. You click on request, and you realize that you can see whether you have Bitcoin here, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, USDT, Digital, blah blah blah. So when you click here, the kind of cryptocurrencies you can see is shown here. And now generally by default you have Bitcoin there, unless you switch it, you have Bitcoin there. Now a person can scan straight from here with your QR code to send you Bitcoin, or you copy these mixed up letters to whoever you're purchasing Bitcoin with for the first time to send you your Bitcoin. So this is like your bank account number. This is your bank account, your Bitcoin bank account number. So you send it to the person who you're purchasing the Bitcoin from the first time, to be able to send it to you. Now this is like a bank account number, and so if someone has your bank account number, it is safe. The person cannot use it to have access to your wallet or whatsoever. So this is actually called the public key. So you have a private key as a backup phrase, and then your Bitcoin wallet. So this is called your Bitcoin wallet. I'm explaining, like I said, it's like your Bitcoin bank account where someone can actually use to send Bitcoin to you. So your first time purchasing Bitcoin, this is what you actually copy and send to the person you're purchasing Bitcoin from, or you click here to copy it, and when you are done, you send it to the person, and when the person sends the Bitcoin, you receive it. This is for advanced version. So when you want to also send Bitcoin, that's the last thing I want to explain. When you want to send Bitcoin, you actually have whether to send Bitcoin from your wallet. So the currencies, you can actually choose which one you're sending. You have Bitcoin and then all the rest of the cryptocurrencies. So when you have Bitcoin here, you can have access whether to scan or paste the Bitcoin wallet, just like I explained that when you want to receive, you have to copy and paste your wallet to the person, and the person will use that wallet to send. So you can paste, scan, or select destination by pasting it here, Okay, so there's a notification. You can set your notification from here. You can select your language, your local currency, which would definitely needs to be US dollars, and then notification. You can receive SMS and email. The secondary password option. If it is okay, so when you want to actually get notification on your mobile phone, I think you have to put in this option, and then you select Ghana. Um, Ghana is here, and then you put in the number without a zero. You put in the Ghana and then update it, and then you can enable your SMS notification. So, and also when you receive funds in your wallet, you'll also be notified. So you can add your mobile wallet actually in here. Yeah. Okay, so I think for beginners, this is what you need to have your first Bitcoin wallet and all the necessary things you have to do to secure your wallet.
Yes, and so thank you everyone. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button if you think this content is helpful, and also comment below what you think about this video, your recommendation, and what you think we should put more on the channel. So I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.